Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. Myself Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss exercise 11A, class 7, subject maths. So in exercise 11A, this is the exercise of profit and loss. This is exercise belongs from chapter profit and loss. This is the chapter of profit and loss, exercise 11A, chapter 11. So in this chapter, first of all, I have to know that some basic things, some fundamental things. So in this chapter, profit and loss, exercise 11A, you know what is cost price and what is selling price. So first of all, cost price. Cost price. Price at which things are purchased. Price at which things are purchased or price at which things are bought. So it is called cost price. Then selling price. Selling price. Selling price is also called SP. Cost price is also called CP. Cost price is also called CP and selling price is also called SP. So price at which things are sold are called selling price and price at which things are bought or purchased are called cost price. Then after this you will learn in this video some formulas regarding exercise 11A. So in exercise 11A, chapter profit and loss, formula first will be gain equal to, when we find gain, then apply the formula SP minus CP. SP minus CP. And to find the loss, CP minus SP, and how to find gain percent. For finding gain percent, so it will be gain upon CP multiplied by 100. So again, to find loss percent, it will be loss upon CP multiplied by 100. So here how we find gain? SP minus CP, and we find loss CP minus SP, and then how we find gain percent, gain upon CP into 100, and how we find loss percent, it will be loss upon CP to 100. Then how we find SP? How we find SP. SP equal to 100 plus gain percent plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. To find SP when gain percent and CP are given. To find SP when gain percent and CP are given, then we apply this formula 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. Next will be SP equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. When loss percent and CP are given, then we apply this formula, and then next will be CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent 100 plus gain percent into SP. When SP and gain percent are given, then we find CP by using this formula 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. So these are the formula which are applied in this exercise 11A, chapter 11, profit and loss. So in this video, I think that this much enough. And regarding this video, students, if you are highly confused or confused in any point, any topic, then contact on my WhatsApp number and I will confirm you, and I tell numerical problem in my next video. So I think that this much enough. Thanks.